Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Our tutorial today is how to upload a video on YouTube channel. So I'll be taking you step by step. I want to ensure that I educate you how once you upload a video on YouTube, it will get you the most views. It will also rank well in the search engine, and it will also attract more subscribers. Ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Stick with me to the end of the video recording. The very first thing you need to do, you need to come here to create to your YouTube channel. You'll be having two options: either upload a video or go live. We'll be uploading a video. Then tell us drag the video. We'll come and select our age limit. Once we select our age limit for our age limit, it's not for made for kids at all. We need also to come and it tells us that finished the process. We need to click next. Next, we need to come here and ensure use card and end screen to show viewers related videos or website. We need to import from the video. We need to import videos that relate to the one that we are posting. We look at our former playlist, and we'll be able to select a video that we are educating people about PayPal to M-Pesa. We can select this one. This one will serve the purpose. Then we need to come here and select the playlist. These are end screens that they normally assist that once we are done with our video, we'll be able to link. We'll be able to link softly. We can be able to suggest people to watch our other channels. Here for this place, we need to leave it best for the viewer. So we'll just save. So the other thing that we need to do is we need to add card. When adding the card, we need to add card. When it tells us when you are finished, just return to the YouTube Studio. We are uploading our video from YouTube Studio, so we'll come here and click add card. When we select add card, we'll come and create the cards that we need to. Our tutorial is about PayPal, so we need to suggest our viewers, in case they are bored with our content, we can suggest them videos that are almost the same niche. And I can see here these are M-Pesa videos. We can create that card. We can also create another card that suggests people to PayPal tutorials. We can also maybe select other 3 cards that suggest to our viewer. Maybe our viewer like withdraw cash from PayPal. From PayPal in 1 minute. It's almost similar. So this one ensures that in case our viewers is not interested in the content that we are creating, they'll be able to move to other areas. So we also need to look for maybe like 2 more that we need to stick here. I think these ones will be okay. Then we'll be able, it tells us just return to YouTube Studio once we are done. But before going, we need to spread. We just selected the cards. We need to select them in a very proper way. We need to move them to different parts. We need to go back to our cards and edit them so that they will look very familiar. The intent of our YouTube channel was to ensure that somebody is able to upload a video that it can rank in the search engine. This is the playlist. Also, let us exchange this. In case somebody is bored, they can still continue watching. We'll return to YouTube. so the other thing that we need to select for before we upload the video is our feasibility. We'll click next. When it comes to feasibility, I normally schedule my videos. Maybe schedule normally assist that when you post something on YouTube, it takes like 5 hours for YouTube algorithm to have learned your content so that it will be able to suggest it. So I normally am in GMT positive 3. So I will recommend. I will post it at July 16th at exactly 4 a.m. I normally post my video at 4 a.m. so that by the time people are waking up at around 8, the algorithm will have studied the video. We also need to select the time zone. I said that I live in GMT positive 3. Positive 3 is around Nairobi is one of the areas that is around positive 3. So we will search it and put our time zone. Yeah, we selected that at GMT positive 3. When we click set it as premier, a public watch page will be created and it will show the countdown to the day to this date. So when I just schedule it, it means that people will be able to see these thumbnail, and they will maybe like or maybe comment even way before, or they will anticipate. We also need to, before we schedule it, we need to confirm that when adding a screen, we said that the intent of adding a screen is in case somebody is bored from watching this video, they can still continue watching content but still from your YouTube channel. So here we normally put the best thing that I advise is to put a playlist, and here it is to put a best for the viewer. YouTube itself, we're depending on the viewer who is watching, they'll be able to suggest who is best to come and watch their content. So that is just self-explanatory. So the other thing that we need to come is we need to come and schedule our we need to schedule our. Okay, we had already selected a time zone that was positive 3. I think it has gone. Let us just reselect it again very fast. Yeah, here it is. We selected at positive 3. I said that I normally upload my videos at 4 a.m. and it's set as a premiere. We'll be able to schedule it since here it is saying that it's already finished. My YouTube channel, I have not yet monetized it, so we also we are allowed to embed our video maybe to Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Blogger, or Reddit, the other Pinterest, or via email. Now we have our URL with us here, and our video is good to go. And the another thing that we've not added, we need to come and add. We've already scheduled, but it's not yet late. We need to come to our video. We need to add tags. Tags are so important. Tags are able. We've already set in this we've already set. It's a feasibility. It's scheduled to at 4 a.m. tomorrow. It's a premiere already. We have added end screens. We've already added a card, a thumbnail that will upload a picture that shows what is in your video. We also need to come and add tags. Tags are so important because they help the search engine maybe try to know what your content is, and also somebody who is coming to search your videos will be able to the through the tags that you've posted, they will be able to know to likely get your content. So it means when we add these tags, it means you type the tags that the viewer is likely to be typing on the browser. So this happens this way. So maybe the user, for them to come for the YouTube to suggest, for their algorithm to suggest to them to suggest them to watch my video, maybe somebody has typed PayPal to M-Pesa, and we can see here they are normally 500 words. So we need to you need to put the likely words. We need to also to save it. So another thing that we need to do is we need to come and I think we are good to go. So our video, we need also to come here in the description. We need to put the title of the video here, so that because it is still an explanation of the video. We also need to, if you need the URL link of this video, you need to share it. Here it is. We'll be able to put it there. And I think we are good to go. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. I think when we come to this browser and refresh, we'll be able to be seeing the premiering. So when we come to this page, to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials, we can see that it is set to receive a reminder when this event will be scheduled to start. So it means any public will be able to view this video, but it is only visible at the time that we scheduled. I think the tutorial was very successful. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. 1 minute instant withdrawal from PayPal to M-Pesa. Thank you for sticking with me. How to upload a video on your YouTube channel. Thank you.